Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to lock any app on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open your settings, go to search option, search set to pin Windows. Just you get this option, just make sure to turn on. Okay, now I'm turn on this. Go back and open any app that you wanna lock. Okay, so like I'm open my note, press on, click on to logo option, then I'm get pin this app, press on. Now it's press on OK. Now it's lock. When I'm try to back or use any button but it's not working, that's mean this is a locked. And how can easily unlock? Long press, then it's unlock. Now it's work. So that's it.